Today's tutorial will show you how to add an old visit into Hospitality HouseKeeper. So our scenario here is that the Adams family stayed in the house for a week back in July, and since then other people have stayed in this room. The Adams family has long checked out, but for whatever reason we didn't record their stay while they were actually here. So here's how to go back and do that. So we're first going to create a reservation, just like always, and we go ahead and search for our family. And just like making a new reservation, if these people haven't been here before, you would go ahead and create new people. So let's see. They were here for about 5 days in July. Everybody was here, and Patricia Adams was our primary guest. So we'll hit save. And just like regularly, this will bump them to the wait list. So we'll put them in the room that they stayed in, 114. And we can go to check-in now. So we already know that all of their information is correct. They didn't actually pay anything when they stayed, so we'll turn that to 0. And we'll go ahead and check them in. You get all of the usual paperwork, which you can do with whatever you need to do. And then if you go back to the house register, so you can see that the Adams family now overlaps with the Stone family. So the Adams family actually hasn't checked out of that room. They checked in, so now for a time period, there are duplicate families in that room. So we will, to correct that, we'll go into the Adams edit visit, and we will check out everybody, but we will change the date. So we'll change it to July 20 for everybody. The screen turns yellow because it's a past date, so it's just making you hyper aware that you have picked a date in the past. And if they paid money, you'll take care of that here, but we're just going to hit save. And the Adams family, their visit has been inserted into the calendar. So that's all you need to do. It's basically just like making a reservation and a normal check-in. It's just you want to make sure to check them out so that there aren't duplicate families listed in the room. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the users forum or email any of us at NPSC.